الحمد لله نحمده ونستعينه ونستغفره ونعوذ بالله من شرور أنفسنا ومن سيئات أعمالنا من يهدي الله فلا مضل له ومن يضلل فلا هادي له وأشهد أن لا إله إلا الله وحده لا شريك له.
Assalamu alaikum. Hey Dazers, welcome to another Ramadan relief. Put on your mask. All right, so we're running late today, so I didn't really record the whole process. I was busy cooking and doing all kinds of stuff. We have our cupcakes here, and grab one. All right, it has some Haribos, and we have a cake for someone, actually some people. Hold it with two hands, make sure. We have a surprise cake for two friends. All right, let's go. We're very late, so let's hurry up. Let's go. Go! Hey, Nour! What do you say? Maester, what do you say?
Congratulations, you are the recipient of the Hamdi'S Ramadan relief.
That's good. Thank you.
How you doing, Nour? I miss you so much.
Me too.
Is Riyam home?
Hi, yeah.
Is she? Come on, come on. We're here to see Ibtisam. I know. Come on, Maester, go closer. What do you say to her?
Congratulations, you are the recipient of Hamdi'S Ramadan relief.
Ibtisam's family, they're so sweet. They give us something to break our fast with. I'm not fasting, but I couldn't tell them that I'm not fasting, so I just dug right in. Her parents are so sweet. They gave us some sweet stuff. Maester, what'd you get?
I only got 2 things. Give me, I got 1 thing.
I got 2 things too. I got a date and samosa.
Oh.
All right, we have 1 more person to deliver. It's almost Maghrib time. All right, we gotta go. Assalamu alaikum. Kadiata's house.
Yes.
All right, you know what to say, right? Cover your nose. Cover your nose.
Hi, camera. I have a black camera.
Oh, Maester, cover your nose.
Hi, camera.
Okay, these are too big for you.
No.
Yeah. So you're looking for
Congratulations, you are a recipient of Hamdi'S Ramadan relief. Congratulations, you are a recipient of Hamdi'S Ramadan relief.
Thank
Happy
you.
birthday.
Thank you.
Where's Houleye? Where's Houleye?
In the bathroom.
Tell her to come out. We're waiting for Houleye to come out. Where's Houleye?
In the bathroom.
Someone pull her out of the bathroom. Oh, she's making one do. Hey, Bashir! Look at Bashir. Look at him. Hi. Hey, what do you say to her? Happy birthday! And what do you say?
Happy birthday.
The twins.
Yeah.
I didn't even get to take a picture. Assalamu alaikum. Hey, Dazers. I just got back from delivering the Hamdi'S Ramadan relief cupcakes and cake today, and I just wanted to bring something to your attention. So I'm going to attach something. It's a YouTube channel or a YouTube page by a sister. She's like a little sister, like a daughter to me. Her name is Fatima Hatu. She has a YouTube channel dedicated to Quran recitation. She has such a beautiful voice. She's so young. I'm not sure if I'm allowed to say her age on here, but she, mashallah, she's very, very young, and she just started her YouTube channel solely dedicated to Quran recitation. Trust me, if you listen to her voice, you're just gonna be hooked. Mashallah, I can't stop listening to her. She's such an inspiration, mashallah, and she's just such a beautiful person, mashallah, and I am so proud of her, and I want you guys to go check her out. Her YouTube channel is called Fatima and Islam. Well, Fatima and Islam. All right, so I'll try to attach her channel or her, I'll see if I can attach her recitation, but shout out to Fatima Hatu. She's my little sister, little daughter, or big daughter, and I'm very proud of her. Please go check out her channel, especially during these last few days of Ramadan. You're gonna be hooked You're gonna be in love and you'll be glad you checked her out. So go check her out. Please click the like button if you listen to any of her recitation. Please subscribe to her channel. Subscribe to her channel. You'll not regret it. And if anything, you're going to increase in subscribing to her channel. Okay, and please share her channel. It's beautiful and it's amazing and it's inspirational. So please check her out. Tell her Hamdi'a sent you, and let her know the Dazer family support her and we love her. And you know, we hope that she gets bigger and bigger from this day forth, or from here on. We hope she gets bigger and bigger. So please check out Fatima and Islam, or Fatima and Islam, and her name is Fatima Hatu. Check her out. All right, and another thing, please be sure to subscribe to Hamdi's Kitchen if you haven't already done so. So we have this new channel that is dedicated to just food. So anything that you see on here, if you want to know how to make it, most likely I'm going to be posting it on Hamdi's Kitchen. So we have Hamdi'sDaze and we have Hamdi's Kitchen. So check Hamdi's Kitchen out, and please check out Fatima and Islam. Fatima and Islam, you will not regret it. My allergies have kicked in, so yeah, I look like I'm high on something, but my eyes are itchy, my nose is itchy, everything is itchy because I worked with spices, and I look high. All right, Assalamu alaikum. See you next time. Bye, Dazers.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم يا أيها النبي لم تحرم ما أحل الله لك تبتغي مرضات أزواجك والله غفور رحيم قد فرض الله لكم تحلة أيمانكم والله مولاكم وهو العليم الحكيم وإذ أسر النبي إلى بعض أزواجه حديثا فلما نبأت به
of the month of Ramadan, which is the 10 last days of Ramadan. 2/3 of the month has passed. We need to stop and look at ourselves.